Over the past 10 years, I have represented a number of teachers in criminal actions across the state of Colorado. Teachers are often concerned with how or whether a case will impact their ability to stay in that profession in the future. So, there are two categories of criminal cases. Well, actually, there are three, but we'll deal with two here today. One is the type of case that will absolutely always lead to a suspension or denial, and the other is the type of case that could. So, the types of cases that will always lead to that type of adverse reaction are crimes of violence, felony domestic violence, felony drug crimes, sex crimes, things like that. But there is a whole other category of cases which they will look at the facts and circumstances of the case and may take such action but are not required to do so. That would be things like a misdemeanor crime of domestic violence, a sex crime that is a misdemeanor, child abuse, illegal sale of controlled substances, or any other felony essentially that would potentially render the person unfit to do their duties as an educator. Now, keep in mind that for their purposes, they're not looking at whether or not you were convicted. They consider it just as bad that you pled guilty to something, even if you were not convicted, like, for example, taking a deferred judgment. If the case doesn't fall within the categories I've mentioned, then it's the type of case that you don't have to worry about leading to a suspension at all. If you have any questions about whether or not your particular case may impact your ability to continue in the teaching profession, please do not hesitate to give me a call.